Good evening. Good evening, everybody. So last class lo applied statistics lo ANOVA 2 by classification. ANOVA 2 by classifications lo estimation of parameters. Estimations of parameters. Estimation of parameters lo least squares methods, sum of squares of deviation of a parameter value and expected values should be minimum, and that should be equal to s తో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేసినాం. s is equal to double summation xij minus alpha I minus beta j plus eij. And partially differentiating with respect to parameters, dou s by dou mu is equal to 0 and dou s by dou alpha I is equal to 0 and dou s by dou beta j equal to 0. Already last class lo ఇది మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసినాం. dou s by dou mu is equal to 0, dou by dou mu of double summation xij minus alpha I minus beta j minus mu ఏం జనరేట్ అవుతుందనంటే mu ఈక్వల్ టు x బార్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. mu ఈక్వల్ టు x బార్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ పెండింగ్. ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ ని మనం కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే we are completing the estimation of parameters. Estimation of parameters లో we are consider dou s by dou alpha I equal to 0. Dou s by dou alpha I is equal to 0. That means dou by dou alpha I with respect to partially differentiating with respect to alpha I, double summation xij minus alpha xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j, and I and j. When we apply the summations dou by dou alpha I is clear. Dou by dou alpha I is clear. About the summations is summation I and summation j, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్ఫా I కాబట్టి summation j x1 j minus mu alpha 1 minus beta j plus summation j x2j minus mu alpha 2 minus beta j whole square plus so on j and x ij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j plus so on plus summation j x kj minus mu minus alpha k minus beta j is the terminology. And also you can write with the derivation చూసుకుంటే derivation అప్లై చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ కూడా జీరోస్ అవుతాయి. 0 plus 1 summation j x ij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j plus 1 plus 0. Finally we'll get the equation is derivation ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందనంటే -1 జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. Finally we'll get here equal to 0 and equal to 0. This is also equal to 0. So minus 2 into summation j x ij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j is equal to 0. ఈ minus 2 అటు వెళ్ళిపోతే summation j x ij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j is equal to 0 is the equation. So here statement is summation j x ij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j is equal to 0 when applying the summation j x ij minus mu summation j and mu minus summation j and alpha I minus summation j beta j is equal to 0. When we apply in the summations and here summation j x ij minus constant పక్కకు summation ఉంది కాబట్టి small n mu minus summation j alpha I minus summation j and beta j is equal to 0. This is the equation 3. In this equation we can substitute the value. Summation alpha I summation beta j values. These values we are substitute. Consider summation j beta j is equal to, you can write summation j equal to beta j formula mu dot j minus mu గా తీసుకుంటాం. mu dot j minus mu గా తీసుకుంటాం or x dot j bar minus x bar గా తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ x dot j bar minus x bar గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం. అండ్ ఆల్సో we can write is equal to summation j and the formula of x dot j bar is equal to 1 by k summation I and x ij, and here we can write 1 by k summation I and x ij minus x bar, and finally we can write double summation yes, constant కాబట్టి 1 by k double summation I and j xij minus x bar గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం. అండ్ హియర్ దీస్ టర్మినాలజీ ఈ సమ్మేషన్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ n గా either it is double summation and xij is equal to 1 by capital N double summation xij is equal to x bar తీసుకుంటాం అండ్ డబుల్ సమ్మేషన్ xij minus n into equal to n into x bar గా తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఈ టర్మ్ లో మనం 1 by k capital N into x bar minus x bar గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే అండ్ ఆల్సో we can write 1 by k n into k minus x bar, n will cancel and n minus x bar x bar and x bar and x bar minus x bar remain. Summation apply summation j x bar, that means n into x bar, or n into x bar, n into x bar and n into x bar, karoda n into x bar, n get cancel 0. Finally, summation j and beta j is equal to 0. Then substitute the above value in the equation 3. Then substitute the value in the equation 3. Equation 3 already we know. Summation j xij minus n into mu minus summation j alpha I minus 0 equal to 0, and also we can alpha I is also n alpha I and లేకపోతే summation j and xij minus n into mu is equal to n alpha I. Then finally alpha I is equal to 1 by n summation j xij minus n into mu, and we can write xij is equal to 1 by n into summation j and xij minus 1 by n into n and mu. N get cancelled and alpha I is equal to the formula of x dot j xi dot bar minus x bar. Alpha I is equal to xi dot bar minus x bar का find out होता है. This is the formula of alpha I. The formula of alpha I. Then next terminology తీసుకుంటే consider dou s by dou beta j is equal to 0. Dou s by dou beta j is equal to 0. Then we can write here dou by dou beta j double summation of xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j, I and j. I and j కాబట్టి and here dou by dou beta j remove the అని ఇక్కడ j కావాలి కాబట్టి remove the j terms, j, that is summation I x I1 minus mu minus alpha I minus beta 1 square plus summation I x I2 minus mu minus alpha I minus beta 2 square plus so on plus summation I and xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j whole square plus so on plus summation I and xij minus mu plus alpha ik and alpha I plus minus beta, so n వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. Can write the n. సో డెరివేషన్ పార్ట్ కాబట్టి అలా zeros ఈక్వల్ టు 0, ఇది ఈక్వల్ టు 0. డెరివేషన్ పార్ట్ కాబట్టి ఈ టర్మ్ 0 అవుతుంది, ఈ టర్మ్ కూడా 0 అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ సమ్మేషన్ I xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j whole square, స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2 and minus 1 జనరేట్ అవుతుంది and plus 0 is equal to 0. Finally we will get the minus 2 summation I xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j is equal to 0. minus 2 అటు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి we will get the summation I xij minus mu minus alpha I minus beta j is equal to 0. So ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి we'll get the values summation I xij minus summation I mu minus summation I alpha I minus summation I beta j is equal to 0. Then we have to show that the value summation I xij minus this value is k mu minus summation alpha I minus summation I beta j is equal to 0. This is the equation 4. In this equation 4 we can consider the value summation I alpha is going to be 0. Consider summation I alpha I equal to 0 are equal to, sorry, not equal to 0, you can take the value alpha I value, alpha I is equal to mu I dot minus mu, that means x bar I dot minus x bar का इसको the summation I of x I dot bar minus x bar, summation I alpha I is equal to summation I, and we can write the x I dot bar minus x bar, again summation I x bar का इसको we have a xi dot formula, xi dot is equal to 1 by n summation j and xij का इसको xij, so summation I alpha I is equal to summation I and 1 by n summation I and summation j xij minus summation I is nothing but here kx bar, and in this term summation double summation xij, that means capital X bar is equal to 1 by n double summation xij, n it has n into x bar is equal to double summation xij. Alpha is equal to 1 by small n capital N into x bar minus k into x bar. Here 1 by small n capital N into k and x bar minus k into x bar. N get cancelled and k into x bar minus k into x bar get cancelled. Finally 0. We can write summation alpha is equal to 0. Then substitute the value in the equation 4. The above value substitute in equation 4. Equation 4 is double summation xij minus k into mu minus and summation alpha I minus summation I beta j is equal to 0. This term is 0. Summation I xij minus k into mu minus 0 minus summation I beta j equal to 0. And ఈ వాల్యూ అటు వెళ్ళిపోతే సమ్మేషన్ xij మైనస్ this is also k. Minus k mu is equal to k into beta j, and finally beta j is equal to 1 by k of ij minus k into mu. You can write 1 by k summation ij minus k into mu. So this is the formula of mu dot j minus k mu. Then k get cancelled. 1 by k into k mu get cancelled and here mu. Finally x dot j minus bar and x bar is the beta j. This is the beta j value. This is the beta j value. And these are the all about expectation of parameters. Expectation of parameter is completed, and next session lo expectation of sum of squares అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాం.